How to use Trip.com for last minute and same day bookings. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to use Trip.com for last minute and same day bookings. Okay, so if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. So make sure that you're logged into the website. Here at the top left corner, you're going to see the Trip.com logo. At the top left corner, you also see the search box just after the Trip.com logo. Here you can search out whatever destination, attraction, hotel, and so on that you need to know on the website. So at the top right corner, you see the USD, which stands for currency. You see my booking icon, which stands for the list of bookings that you've made. And you also see your personal info icon. Okay, that's your profile icon. Also you see your coin icon. That is your Trip coins icon. So there are several other things you can see on the website. So now to use Trip.com for last minute and same day booking, all you need to do, go back to the top left corner of your screen, and you can click on flight or hotel, whatever one that you want to book. Then you wait for the page to load, just like I'm waiting here. And here the first thing you're going to see is find cheap flight deals. So you can just go ahead if you want to cheap flight deals. Okay, so now a long white box has been displayed on my screen. Here it's showing me the particular location where I am, and the next box on the particular box is where you're going to, that is where the destination. So you click on the box to type in your destination. So type in the correct destination. Okay, so once you've typed it in, once you're done typing your destination, you move to the next section. Here you're going to type in the date, that is the date you want to check in. So once you click on it, the calendar will be displayed on your screen. So you're going to select the date. Okay, so once you've selected the date, you move to the section for the date when you're going to return. Okay, at the upper part of the calendar, you see the option depart. You see the option return. So you click on return, and since you want to know how to use Trip.com for last minute and same day booking, you click on that same day. Okay, so once you're done with that, the next option is for the type of flights that you want, that is economy flight, and if it's how many people are going to embark on that flight. Okay, so just check the information to see if it's correct or if it's accurate. Okay, so you can just scroll down your page a little. You can scroll down the page a little. So once you're done with that, at the lower part of the long box, you're going to see search. So you click on search to search out the trip. So now it's searching it out already, and you have to be patient when you're on this website. Okay, so that you don't make unnecessary mistakes, just like it's searching it out already. So it's departing to Casablanca, and the prices are being attached, have been displayed on my screen. So you make sure that you just check it very well. The duration of my flight is also displayed on my screen here, and the type of flight that I'm going to take, the aircraft or the airway that I'm going to use is being displayed right on my screen. So you make sure that you check the necessary details, check the amounts, check the date, check the duration, and check all the necessary things that you need to check. Okay, the data has been there, the amount is there already. So once you're done with that, you can just click on select. Select is just at the tail end of the long box at the right side. So you click on select, then you wait for the page to load, and once you're done with that, another page will be loading, giving you more details about your departure, that is when you want to leave where you're traveling to, when you're returning back to your location. So you just have to check it and check the airlines, the several airlines that are available with the particular stops, if they are going to have stops, if you are going to have 2 stops or 3 stops or 1 stop. Then you check the duration at which they are going to travel back to your destination and the prices. So once you've seen the one that you want, just make the right choice. There are several airlines here. You have the Royal Air Maroc, you have the Emirates, Kenya Airways, you have several airways. So just make sure that you choose the right airways. So scroll down the page and the patient. So once you've seen the one that you want, you click on it, and necessary information to be displayed right on your screen. So I've clicked on it here now. The information has been displayed right on my screen. So if you're interested to go ahead, you see the icon book, you click on book. Once you click on book, you wait for the page to load. So now, like I told you earlier, you have to be patient when you're waiting for the page to load. Okay, so now the page is being loaded on the website. Now you have to click on the particular place, the airport that you want to use, particular airport that you want to use, and just make sure you follow the necessary details, and the price details will also be attached to your screen. Okay, so just make sure you follow the necessary details and input the details of the person traveling, that is your first name. Once you're done with that, you input your gender, you input your date of birth, you input your last name, you input your nationality, you input your ID number, you input your ID types, and once you're done with all these necessary details, you scroll down the page and you make your payment. Okay, so it's very simple. Okay, once you're done making your payment, you successfully used trip.com for last minute and same day bookings. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.